This is the little amphitheater just outside of the woods, which is the building where my room is in. This is the woodlands where I'm staying. Building that my room's in. And I thought I would show everybody the workout facility. These are all the bikes. And then we go up top. And there's weight equipment. And up top is a pool table, but we'll do that another day. Off on another NCR adventure.